And I'm back. I feel a lot better now. Been on the settee for a few days. Knocked me for 6. Still got a bit of the sniffles and that. But I will catch up with everybody's messages. I just haven't been on at all. I've just been lying on the settee every half hour doing a sleep. I've been absolutely just knocked me for 6, worn out. So anyway, it's Fakeaway Wednesday. So let me show you what we're going to do today. So I do apologise about the sniffles. You can hear me sniffing. Not a lot I can do about it. So today we're going to be doing chili shredded chicken. Yes. I've never cooked it before. I've had it before, but I've never cooked it. So wish me luck. Now I don't know whether to have. I'm not sure whether to have it with rice. I just got some ball in the bag there. Or some noodles. I'll decide as I go. I'm not sure yet. So anyway, I got myself some chicken. I put them in the freezer for an hour. Easier to cut. I got myself some spring onion. 3 spring onion, that's just for garnish. Got myself 1 red chilli. Some garlic and a bit of ginger. 2 garlic cloves. A bit of brown sugar. I got 1 egg white. Some dark soy sauce. Some pepper, some clear honey which I've got to melt, some sriracha sauce, some sesame oil, and I've got some corn flour. Right, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to chop the chicken up. So I'm going to butterfly the chicken first, and then I'm going to cut it into long strips. I probably won't use all these, so there's 3 here. Cut it in half. It's always easier when you put it in the freezer, isn't it, to then trim it off. I want thin strips. I'll carry on doing all these. There you go, I've cut my chicken, I've cleaned all my sides up and that. I did use the 3. I thought, well, why not, while they're there. Now I'm going to make the marinade now. So I want about 4 tablespoons of dark soya. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to use half of my garlic and half of my ginger. I want a couple of teaspoons of brown sugar. Get that sweet taste. Couple of them. And just a bit of pepper. There we go. I'm going to give that a mix. A bit of garlic there, get that garlic in, why not? There we go. Now I want to pour that over the chicken. And I'm going to give it a mix. Get it all coated. Now the longer you leave this to marinate, the better. I'm going to leave about an hour. I ain't really got much time to leave it longer than that. So I'm going to leave that for about an hour anyway. Wash up while I'm at it. Well, I've melted my honey. I did with that chicken because I forgot. I did put 2 teaspoons of sesame oil in. I forgot all about it, but I did put it in anyway. So now I'm gonna whoops, something fell. I'm gonna do the sauce now. So on one of these, I want about another 4 of these dark soya. Get that in. I've got enough. I'm using the same bowl, because no point. Well, 3 and a bit. That's all I've got left. That'll have to do. I want my honey in. 3 tablespoons of honey I used. Don't know if that's going to be too much. I want some sriracha sauce now. Boom. Open it. Depending on how spicy you want it. I've still got a bit of a cold, so I'm going to have 3, I think. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to give that a mix. Now then, I'm just going to wait for the chicken now. About another 20 minutes or so. I've decided I think I'm going to do noodles. Right, chicken's been in about 50 minutes. I can't really leave it any longer. I say it's better if you left it overnight or something, but never mind. Now I'm going to get myself my egg white. I'm going to pour my egg white in. And we're going to give that a mix. Smelling delicious. Now you want to get your corn flour, and I'm going to put my corn flour in. I'm just going to put it in a bit at a time though, because I'm not sure how much I'm going to need. And I'm going to mix it in. What I've done, because it started clumping together, I've just took one out and just done one at a time. I've still got loads left to do, but I can do them, you know, after. So in the meantime, there they are, look, and they're looking okay. I could do a bit more corn flour on a couple of them, but I think they'll crisp up alright. So I've got myself a pot of water boiling for me noodles, there. And I'm just waiting for me oil to warm up now. Right, I think it's ready. What I'm doing, as I go along and put them in, I'm going to just dip them in the corn flour. Just get an extra bit of coating. So I'm hoping it's hot enough. You want it to about, I don't know, about 2 or 3 minutes I think. Don't want it long. It's got to be double fried as well. So, right, they're just on the second fry now. They're coming along. I put them all in together on the second fry. Just want them just to crisp up a little bit. They've got to go into the sauce yet, so they're looking crispy. About another 30 seconds. Right, I've cleaned my pan up. I put all my fat in a saucepan for now. Bingers out later, so it'll go in there. Now I want, as soon as my pan's warmed up, the garlic, a bit of ginger, and my peppers. I'm going to put them in there. Give them a fry for like 10 seconds. So, garlic and ginger. I'm going to put my peppers in. My chilli, I mean. You can put peppers in these, I suppose, can't you? But I'm not going to. Right, now I'm getting me sauce in. Oh, that smell. You just want to get that a little bit thicker and get your chicken in and get it all coated. Right, I think that'll do me on my consistency. Do it as you like it, I suppose. I'm going to get the chicken in now and get it coated. Well, I've done the noodles. Put the noodles in. 5 minutes on them. Right guys, we're all done. I didn't do the noodles, show you the noodles properly because I've already done them. So I got my trays out. I don't think anyone's going to eat this because it's going to be too spicy, I think. Get some noodles. 3 lots of noodles. And then the chilli chicken, look. That looks gorgeous, doesn't it? So I don't know whether anyone else is going to eat this. I will, because I don't mind a bit of a spice, but Anna and the lad might be in a bit of trouble here. I'll have that one, the extra. Oh yes. There we go, first attempt. Sticky, crunchy. Does it taste nice? That's the question. Put a bit of them on Matt's. Put a few more of them on mine. Right, taste test time. Right, I'm up the table. Tell you what, I still ain't feeling well. I felt it cooking that. I'm sweating and everything. And that's having a crack of hers. Let me show you. That's not coming on. There it is. First attempt. Looks quite nice, doesn't it?
Done really well for the first 10.
Have I?
Yeah, wow, nice.
Not saying it's well nice. I haven't even tried mine yet. So, what do you think, Bab? Yes? You like it?
Lovely. Yeah, that's nice.
Is the chicken cooked? You try it first.
I have tried it.
Is it nice?
Mm.
Is it spicy?
No, not really.
Not really spicy.
No. I don't find it too spicy. It's a bit of a kick.
A bit of a kick.
Mm.
There's the chicken, look.
That's well nice.
It's gorgeous, doesn't it?
Oh,
Let's have a crack.
Doing a good job here, Bob.
Oh yeah. Ain't that nice? That is gorgeous, isn't it?
It's proper nice. It's lovely.
Yeah, there's only a little bit of a kick in there. There's not a big kick in it, is there?
Loads. I did say that you thought I wouldn't eat it because it's been spicy, but I don't find it spicy. Just a nice little kick to it.
That sweetness is gorgeous, isn't it? That honey. Isn't it? Do you think? It's the noodles.
You've got proper, like, sticky and sweet. It's really nice. I've done a good job, Bob. The past 2 Wednesdays have been proper nice. They've been better than
You like these Wednesdays, do you?
They've been better than
I weren't going to do nothing today because I do feel a little bit else again. I thought I might have been okay, but I've gone a bit. Whoa.
Gone a bit funny. That's because you've been doing this, ain't you, for ages?
I've been doing this for ages. I started the kitchen over there. So hot mess. I'm just in that frame of mind where I just can't be bothered. But I'll get through it. I'm over the worst. I'm not tired like I was the other day.
Oh, you've been shattered, ain't
Yeah.
you? So worn out, bless you. I have been trying to help, but...
Yes, that is really nice. There's the chicken, look. See all the juice. The stickiness to it.
I'm liking these Wednesdays.
You liking these Wednesdays?
Best days. That's really nice, Bob.
That is really nice, isn't it? There's loads of chicken left, but I'd have been there ages doing it all. Well, never mind. There we go.
It's lovely. And it's not spicy.
No, it's just got that nice little kick in it.
Why did you think you made it too spicy or something?
Well, I put sriracha sauce in it and chilies. That's just about right, isn't it? Just that little kick. Lovely. Well, there we go. As I say, I will catch up with everyone's messages. I'll hopefully get this uploaded tonight. Otherwise, it'll be up Thursday. But a Wednesday thing, if you know what I mean. Depends how I feel. I'm gone a bit rubbish. I'm going to have a shower and that and sort my head out, I think. Anyway, I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Fakeaway Wednesday. Crispy chili chicken. Gorgeous, clothes I do with beef. Gorgeous. See you later. Bye bye. Final thoughts?
Amazing.
Amazing.
Delicious.
Amazing, delicious. Bye.